Let's face it, the supplement industry is a confusing place. It seems like every day, there's a new miracle product promising insane gains, but how much of it is actually backed by science and how much is just hype? In this video, we're diving deep into the world of supplements, separating the fact from the fiction. We're going to be looking at the supplements that are scientifically proven to help you build muscle, increase strength, and optimize your training. We'll break down each supplement, looking at the research, the benefits, and any potential drawbacks, so you can make informed decisions about what's right for you and your fitness goals. Number 1. Protein supplements. Whey, casein, plant-based. Let's kick things off with the most well-known supplement on the block, protein. It's a staple in the fitness world, and for good reason. Protein is essential for muscle growth and repair. Without it, your muscles wouldn't be able to recover and grow stronger after those intense workouts. When you train, you're actually breaking down muscle tissue. This might sound counterproductive, but it's a crucial part of the muscle building process. Protein provides the building blocks called amino acids to repair that damage and build your muscles bigger and stronger. Think of it as the raw material your body needs to rebuild. Now, you're probably already getting protein from your diet, but supplementing can be a convenient way to hit your daily targets, especially if you're training hard. It ensures you get enough protein without having to eat large amounts of food. Recommended dosage: 20 to 30 grams per serving, typically 1 to 2 times per day. There are a few different types of protein supplements, each with its own set of benefits. Understanding these can help you choose the right one for your needs. First one, whey protein, derived from milk, is a fast-digesting protein that's quickly absorbed by the body, making it ideal post-workout. It's perfect for those looking to speed up recovery. At number 2, casein protein, also from milk, is digested more slowly, providing a sustained release of amino acids throughout the day or night. This slow digestion makes it unique. This makes it a great option for before bed to prevent muscle breakdown while you sleep. It ensures your muscles are fed with nutrients even during rest. And for those following a plant-based lifestyle, there are plenty of high-quality plant-based protein powders available, like soy, pea, rice, and hemp protein. These are excellent alternatives. These options are also excellent sources of essential amino acids and can be just as effective for muscle building. They cater to various dietary preferences and restrictions. Number 2, creatine monohydrate. Next up, we have creatine, one of the most researched and proven supplements on the market. It's a staple in the fitness community, and for good reason. Creatine is a naturally occurring substance in the body that plays a key role in energy production during high-intensity exercise, like weightlifting. It helps you push through those tough sets and maximize your performance. Supplementing with creatine increases your body's stores of phosphocreatine, which is used to regenerate ATP, the primary energy source for your muscles. This process is crucial for maintaining energy levels during intense workouts. This means you can train harder, lift heavier, and squeeze out those extra reps, leading to greater muscle growth and strength gains over time. The ability to push beyond your limits is what makes creatine so effective. Numerous studies have shown that creatine supplementation can increase muscle mass, strength, and power output in both trained and untrained individuals. It's a versatile supplement that benefits everyone, from beginners to seasoned athletes. It's also been shown to improve recovery from exercise and reduce muscle damage. Faster recovery means you can get back to training sooner and with less soreness. Creatine monohydrate is the most widely studied and cost-effective form of creatine, so that's what I usually recommend. It's backed by extensive research and has stood the test of time. It's safe, effective, and readily available. You can find it in most supplement stores and online. A common question is whether you need to load creatine. This involves taking a higher dose for a short period to quickly saturate your muscles. While loading can saturate your muscles faster, it's not strictly necessary. You can still achieve the same benefits with a regular daily dose. You can simply take a standard dose of 3 to 5 grams per day and still reap the benefits. Consistency is key, so make it a part of your daily routine for the best results. Number 3, branched-chain amino acids, BCAAs, and essential amino acids, EAAs. Now let's talk about amino acids, the building blocks of protein. These tiny molecules are essential for various bodily functions, especially when it comes to muscle growth and repair. You've probably heard of branched-chain amino acids, or BCAAs, which include leucine, isoleucine, and valine. These 3 amino acids are particularly important for athletes and fitness enthusiasts. BCAAs make up a significant portion of the essential amino acids found in muscle protein and play a crucial role in muscle protein synthesis, the process of building new muscle tissue. This process is vital for anyone looking to increase muscle mass or improve recovery times. Leucine in particular is a rock star when it comes to muscle growth. It has been shown to be the most effective amino acid in stimulating muscle protein synthesis. It acts as a trigger, signaling your muscles to start building protein. This signaling is crucial for muscle repair and growth, especially after intense workouts. While BCAAs are important, it's essential not to overlook the other essential amino acids, EAAs. These amino acids are equally important for overall muscle health. EAAs are essential because your body can't produce them on its own, so you need to get them from your diet or supplements. Foods like salmon, chicken breast, and steak are excellent sources of these amino acids. All 9 essential amino acids work together to support muscle protein synthesis, recovery, and overall health. They help in repairing muscle tissues and reducing muscle soreness. So while supplementing with BCAAs can be beneficial, it's crucial to ensure you're getting a complete amino acid profile, either through your diet or a complete EEA supplement. A good rule of thumb is to prioritize whole food sources of protein and then use supplements strategically to fill in any gaps in your diet or support your training goals. Recommended dosage, BCAAs, 5 to 10 grams, typically before or during workouts, and for EEAs, 10 to 15 grams, also ideal before or during workouts. Number 4. Moving on to beta-alanine, an amino acid that's gaining popularity for its ability to enhance exercise performance and delay muscle fatigue. Beta-alanine works by increasing the levels of carnosine in your muscles. Carnosine acts as a buffer, helping to neutralize the acidity that builds up in your muscles during high-intensity exercise. This buildup of acidity is what contributes to that burning sensation you feel in your muscles when you're working hard. By buffering this acidity, beta-alanine can help you train harder, longer, and recover faster. Studies have shown that beta-alanine can improve performance in short-duration, high-intensity activities, such as weightlifting, sprinting, and interval training. It can also increase muscle endurance and reduce muscle soreness. One thing to note is that beta-alanine can cause a harmless tingling sensation known as paresthesia. This is a normal side effect and usually subsides after a few weeks of consistent use. Recommended dosage, 2 to 5 grams per day. Before moving on, if you're finding any value in this video, all I ask is for a quick like and subscribe. Your support means the world to me. Number 5, fish oil, omega-3 fatty acids. Now let's dive into the world of healthy fats with fish oil. Fish oil is a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids, specifically EPA and DHA, which are essential for overall health and have several benefits for muscle building. Omega-3s are potent anti-inflammatories, meaning they help to reduce inflammation throughout the body. This is important for muscle recovery because inflammation is a natural part of the muscle building process. By reducing inflammation, omega-3s can help to speed up recovery, reduce muscle soreness, and improve joint health. Additionally, omega-3s have been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, which is crucial for muscle growth. Insulin is a hormone that helps shuttle nutrients into your muscle cells, and improved insulin sensitivity means your muscles can better utilize those nutrients for growth and repair. If you're not a fan of eating fatty fish several times a week, supplementing with a high-quality fish oil can be a convenient way to reap the benefits of these powerful fatty acids. Follow the recommended dosage of 1 to 3 grams of EPA and DHA combined per day. Number 6, caffeine and pre-workout supplements. Let's be real, who doesn't love a little pre-workout boost to get things started? Caffeine is a staple in many pre-workout supplements, and for good reason. It's a powerful stimulant that can enhance exercise performance in several significant ways. Caffeine works by blocking the effects of adenosine, a neurotransmitter that promotes sleepiness and fatigue. By doing so, caffeine increases alertness, focus, and energy levels, allowing you to push harder in the gym. Caffeine has also been shown to increase strength, power output, and endurance, helping you get more out of your workouts. It can even reduce perceived exertion, making your workouts feel easier and more enjoyable. While caffeine can be a valuable tool, it's important to use it strategically. Start with a low dose to assess your tolerance, and avoid consuming it too late in the day to prevent sleep disturbances. Many pre-workout supplements also contain other ingredients like beta-alanine, creatine, and nitric oxide boosters, which can further enhance performance. Number 7, vitamins and minerals. Finally, let's not forget about the importance of vitamins and minerals. While they may not be as sexy as some of the other supplements we've discussed, they play a crucial role in overall health and muscle function. Vitamin D is essential for calcium absorption, which is vital for strong bones and muscle contractions. Studies have also linked vitamin D deficiency to reduced muscle strength and impaired muscle function. Magnesium is another mineral that's crucial for muscle function. It's involved in over 300 biochemical reactions in the body, including muscle contraction, nerve function, and energy production. Zinc is important for protein synthesis, cell growth, and immune function. It also plays a role in testosterone production, which is essential for muscle growth and strength. Ensuring you're getting adequate amounts of these vitamins and minerals through your diet is crucial, and supplementation can be beneficial if you're deficient or have increased needs due to training. Remember, supplements are just that, supplements. They're meant to complement a well-rounded diet and training program, not replace them. Before adding any new supplement to your regimen, it's always a good idea to do your research and consult with a qualified healthcare professional to determine what's right for you. If you want the answer to lower belly fat, check out the video on the top right corner. Thanks for your attention.